Did you know that the first artificial satellite launched into space was only the size of a beach ball? This small yet groundbreaking object was known as Sputnik 1. Launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957, it marked a significant milestone in human history. Imagine a polished metal sphere just 23 inches in diameter, orbiting the Earth and sending signals back to our planet. It was a marvel of engineering and a symbol of human ingenuity. This seemingly simple object, Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, had a profound impact on the world. It wasn't just a technological achievement, it was a statement. The launch of Sputnik 1 ignited the space race, a period of intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. This competition spurred rapid advancements in science and technology, leading to numerous discoveries and innovations that have shaped our modern world. Sputnik's journey marked the beginning of the space age, a time of intense technological competition and scientific discovery. The satellite's success demonstrated the potential of space exploration and inspired a generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It showed that reaching beyond our planet was not just a fantasy, but a tangible goal within our grasp. The space age brought about a new era of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what was possible and expanding our understanding of the universe. Sputnik, a Russian word meaning fellow traveler, was a polished metal sphere, just 23 inches in diameter. Despite its small size, it carried a powerful message. It was a testament to human curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. The satellite's design was simple yet effective, with 4 long antennas that transmitted signals back to Earth. These signals were a beacon of progress, a sign that humanity was taking its first steps into the vast expanse of space. It carried 4 radio antennas, which transmitted a simple beep, beep, beep signal back to Earth. This signal, though basic, was revolutionary. It was the first time that humans had sent a man-made object into space and received a signal back. The beeping sound was heard by people all around the world, from scientists in laboratories to ordinary citizens with their radios. It was a sound that united humanity in awe and wonder. This signal, heard around the world, was a testament to humanity's newfound ability to reach beyond our planet. It was a moment of triumph and a glimpse into the future. Sputnik 1's success paved the way for future space missions, from the first human in space to the moon landing and beyond. It was the beginning of a journey that continues to this day as we strive to explore the cosmos and unlock the mysteries of the universe. The launch of Sputnik occurred during a period of heightened tension between the United States and the Soviet Union, known as the Cold War. This era, spanning from the late 1940s to the early 1990s, was marked by a fierce competition for global influence and technological supremacy. The Cold War was not just a military standoff, but a battle of ideologies, with the capitalist West led by the United States and the communist East led by the Soviet Union. This rivalry, fueled by ideological differences and the threat of nuclear war, extended into every aspect of life, including science and technology. The fear of a nuclear apocalypse loomed large, leading to widespread drills and civil defense measures. Both nations invested heavily in scientific research, hoping to outdo each other in every field, from medicine to engineering. Both superpowers saw space exploration as the ultimate test of their technological prowess. The space race became a central arena for this competition, with each side striving to achieve milestones that would demonstrate their superiority. The United States and the Soviet Union poured resources into their space programs, aiming to be the first to conquer the final frontier. The successful launch of Sputnik was a major propaganda victory for the Soviet Union. It sent shockwaves through the United States and the rest of the world, proving that the Soviets were capable of achieving remarkable feats in space technology. This event was celebrated widely in the Soviet Union, bolstering national pride and the government's image. It demonstrated their capabilities in rocketry and satellite technology, areas where the United States had considered itself superior. The launch of Sputnik not only marked the beginning of the space age, but also intensified the Cold War rivalry, pushing the United States to accelerate its own space efforts, eventually leading to the creation of NASA and the historic Apollo moon landings. On October 4th, 1957, at 10:28 p.m. Moscow time, Sputnik 1 was launched from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The launch was a closely guarded secret, and the world was stunned when the Soviet Union announced its success. Sputnik orbited the Earth every 98 minutes, traveling at a speed of about 18,000 miles per hour. Its radio signal could be picked up by amateur radio operators around the globe, further fueling public fascination with this new technological marvel. Section 4. The world in awe and fear. The reaction to Sputnik's launch was a mix of awe and fear. People around the world marveled at this demonstration of human ingenuity. However, in the United States, Sputnik's success also sparked a wave of anxiety known as the Sputnik crisis. Americans feared that the Soviet Union's ability to launch satellites could give them a military advantage. There was also a growing concern that the United States was falling behind in the fields of science and engineering. Section 5. The space race ignites. Sputnik's launch on October 4th, 1957 marked the beginning of the space race, a period of intense competition between the United States and the Soviet Union. This era was defined by the quest for dominance in space exploration, as both superpowers sought to demonstrate their technological and ideological superiority. The successful launch of Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, sent shockwaves around the world and spurred the United States into action. In response, both nations poured vast resources into their space programs, leading to rapid advancements in rocketry, satellite technology, and human spaceflight. The United States established NASA in 1958, while the Soviet Union continued to push the boundaries of space exploration with missions like Luna 2, the first human-made object to reach the Moon, and Vostok 1, which carried Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space. The space race resulted in some of humanity's greatest technological achievements. It was a time of unprecedented innovation and discovery, as scientists and engineers worked tirelessly to overcome the challenges of space travel. The competition between the United States and the Soviet Union drove both nations to achieve milestones that seemed impossible just a few years earlier. The United States, determined to catch up and surpass the Soviet Union, set an ambitious goal: to land a man on the moon. President John F. Kennedy's famous speech in 1961 galvanized the nation, and NASA focused its efforts on the Apollo program. This culminated in the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969, when astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface, marking a monumental achievement in human history. Section 6. Sputnik's enduring legacy. Sputnik 1, though it fell from orbit and burned up in Earth's atmosphere just 3 months after its launch, left an indelible mark on human history. It not only ignited the space race, but also had a profound impact on science, technology, and education. Sputnik's launch spurred investment in STEM education, as nations realized the importance of science and engineering for national security and technological advancement. It also led to the development of new technologies, including satellite communication, weather forecasting, and GPS navigation. Section 7. A universe of possibilities. Sputnik 1 was a pivotal moment in human history, marking the beginning of our journey into the cosmos. Its legacy is a reminder that even small steps can have a profound impact, opening up a universe of possibilities. Today, space exploration continues to inspire us, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and reminding us of the power of curiosity, innovation, and international collaboration. As we look back on Sputnik, let us be inspired to continue reaching for the stars.